Hello, and thank you again for joining me on another installment of the Bringing the Showroom to You webinar series. My name is Matt. Today, we have a really cool topic, and I'm really excited to talk about it. We have smart kitchens of the future with AI. If you aren't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, you are missing out on some great content that we're putting out from all the brands and names and manufacturers that you love, from Sub-Zero, Wolf, Thermador, Miele, and so on. We are talking about cooking, cleaning, refrigeration, dishwashing, ventilation, even outdoor products. So please subscribe if you aren't. But today we're talking about AI and the future of smart home kitchens. The talks about AI are everywhere nowadays, whether we read it in the news articles, watch it on TV or on social media, or YouTube even. For example, we see folks playing with GPT almost everywhere. Different software companies are in a race to build the perfect AI system. But in all seriousness, AI raises the question about what's ahead, and we're all unsure about how AI will impact the future of our work and life. Let's take this idea and apply it into my industry in the kitchen. Homes are only getting smarter. The tech and the appliance industry has been with us for years already. With data and industry support, this suggests that AI in the appliances are wanted and are coming. The data here shows that homes are projected to only get smarter as time goes on. The kitchen space is projected to at least double in the amount of smart connected devices by 2027. Where are kitchens currently in the smart home and AI space? Kitchens may not be fully AI yet, but Bluetooth and NFC, which can be accessible with a simple smartphone or internet connection. There are also appliances that use Internet of Things that have integrated software into our home appliances and have been for quite some time. The biggest tech appliances are being equipped with Wi-Fi. This allows remote control, diagnostics, and remote monitoring features. This tech can be found in cooking, cleaning, refrigeration, ventilation, and many other appliances. Let's take a couple examples. Examples of smart home and AI in the kitchen today. We're going to look at the laundry. Smart washers are currently using AI techniques. Washers can autonomously regulate the washing strength and detergent to be used according to the load weight and the type of fabric. It can also automatically send an alert when the detergent is out of stock. This is valuable because users can reduce their detergent and power consumption while increasing the cleaning power, thus saving money and energy. Let's look at refrigeration. Brands from Samsung and LG to luxury brands like Miele and Sub-Zero have integrated tech into their units. They use learning algorithms that allow users to remotely monitor and recognize food items in the fridge. This information can be automatically stored into an inventory list, which allows you to remember everything in your refrigerator. It'll also let people select any item in the fridge using AI assistance and can view relevant recipes based on those items in the fridge. Some smart refrigerators can also let users create shopping lists, adjust internal temperatures, and let you know when something's out of stock. Not to mention, you can also monitor the temperature inside the fridge and freezer. Each brand and models are going to have different features, but you can kind of see where this is going. Other appliances that use smart features would be things like hoods, microwaves, ovens, dishwashers, the list goes on and on. But what is there to look forward to in the future? We've seen moments of technical flashes, but just how far can this revolution go? In the appliance industry, AI will make us rethink what's possible, redesign, and then how we handle repairs. Let's look at some examples here. An added luxury feature now is having features such as Wolf's Gourmet or Miele MasterChef. You simply tell your appliance what you're cooking and the quantity or weight, and the machine will adjust the time for you, set the appropriate temperature, and all the step-by-step directions to achieve the desired result. It seems pretty great, but what does the future hold? With AI, the playbook on meal prep and cooking has expanded. It changes what can be possible. Here are some ways that AI can be useful in the kitchen when making a meal. It's going to save you time. Avoid spending countless minutes scrolling through Google, YouTube, Reddit, or other social mediums. You're going to get personalized meal suggestions. So AI is great because you can give it parameters like keto or paleo to tailor the recipe to your specific lifestyle or health requirements. Stick around because I'm going to be trying it myself. It can also improve accuracy and efficiency. Include precise nutritional data like in any recipe that you want to prepare. If you're trying to keep an eye on calories, fat, and carbohydrates, ask it to do so. It's also cost effective. Save money by asking the AI to recommend a recipe that reduces food waste or swap out expensive ingredients for a more affordable option. My favorite would be the last one here, is experimenting with new foods. It can be fun. You'll be able to mix and match cuisines to create new fusions of meals by combining different food types together. Have you ever been curious to mix Italian with Korean or Chinese with Mexican food? This is all fun in an effort just to create new food ideas. AI is more accessible than most people know. I took it upon myself to try a recipe, so I went to ChatGPT, which is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by a company called OpenAI. You may have seen content about ChatGPT online, but I figured this would be a great opportunity just to give it a test run. So I asked it two things. The first question was to make blueberry muffins, but then it gave me an easy answer. I figured, hey, I could Google that and get the answer really fast. So I tried to trick it a little bit more details. So I said I needed a healthy recipe for low carb, high protein blueberry muffins for cheap because I'm on a budget. And literally in less than 3 seconds, it adjusted the ingredients, it added protein powder, and it really tailored its response for both recipes. And then after this, it also proceeded to give me the step-by-step directions on how to prepare. And I was really impressed. So we've seen AI right now just used in meal preparation, but did you know that AI is also being used in kitchen design? So put down the hammer and nails and turn on the computer screen for a tool that's changing the industry. It's changing how to build, develop, and greatly improve the efficiency and functionality of the kitchen. This is just one example of how AI is being used in kitchen design, and it would be a software company called Skip. They use an automation machine learning software to help you build a kitchen from start to finish in as easy as 4 steps. The first step would be that they're using a proprietary 3D imaging software as the framework to give you an idea for all the specs and data that you'd need for a kitchen renovation. Their AI software would then generate layouts and on average 700 permutations. It would get narrowed down from there, of course, but this includes specific needs around storage, budget, entertainment, and cooking. The third step would be it would give you a full colored access of a library with highly curated designs from accomplished designers and architects that allow you to explore looks, select materials, and customize everything there from your liking. And the last thing it would be, Skip would finally give you a construction-ready documents and final pricing as well. So this is just one example of a company who's modernizing the kitchen space. I'd only expect more and more creative avenues and ventures such as these to start coming to fruition in the future. We asked ChatGPT earlier about a recipe, but let's ask it one more question about kitchen design just to see what direction and where the conversation goes from there. So ask ChatGPT. I asked, I have a budget of $20,000 and I need new high quality major appliances for my kitchen. I like the style of a modern kitchen. What are my options? It proceeded to give me 5 appliances within my budget, and it gave me detailed descriptions of each one of why it chose that. So I took it with a grain of salt. There are a lot of options in the appliance industry, so I was really curious to see what came of it. If you pause the video and you watch it here, it gives a decent explanation. And I asked it this question multiple times, and it gave me multiple different answers. But what it did, though, is it gave me a list. It gave me a good jumping point, a good starting point. And I think that's really interesting. So after viewing these results, I can take what I learned and apply it to what makes most sense for me, of course. The cool thing about this software is you can ask it again, like I did by regenerating a response to even get a bigger variety. AI can be scary for some and exciting for others, but we are currently in the new frontier of the technical space, and I'm really looking forward to see where this takes us. We here at Atherton Appliance and Kitchens and BSc Culinary take extreme pride in giving you the best experience possible. As you may be aware, installations and delivery of appliances can be difficult and challenging. We've developed a solution called Constant Care that truly elevates your experience from start to finish, and it really starts with the Constant Care delivery and installation. We use factory-trained, first-party installers, no third-party, and these technicians are qualified and insured. We deliver and install everything that we sell, with the exception of plumbing, and ensure that your appliance installation is done according to all local codes and regulations. You can track the status of your order through our customer portal. You'll be able to keep an eye on the progress of your delivery driver. This is going to be great, especially for those larger projects. We have Constant Care Premier installation. You're going to receive a dedicated project manager. This person is going to be with you every step of the way. They're going to be your point of contact that's going to be able to answer any questions or issues that may arise. You're going to get 2 pre-site inspections, and this is going to make sure everything goes smoothly on your installation day, so there's no surprises or headaches. You're going to get a final fit and finish site visit just to make sure everything was installed to your satisfaction. Then you're going to get our Constant Care Plus. This is going to give you exclusive access to our concierge service team, and this is going to give you a direct line. You'll be provided a special email to ensure any delivery and installation issues are addressed quickly and efficiently. And in the event that a repair of one of your appliances is needed, our team will handle the legwork of securing and scheduling an opportunity with the correct service provider, saving you time and any headache. You'll also get unlimited constant care evaluations. Our technical team is available to diagnose installation and appliance performance issues, both for your indoor and outdoor kitchens. Next, we have Constant Care Support. We understand that you may have questions or issues after this sale, or you may experience post-delivery issues that need to be addressed. That's why we offer our fast resolutions to ensure that we are explaining our policies and positions clearly, and that you get the right person on our team to deliver the right answer right away. And it's going to finish up here with our Constant Care Warranty. We've partnered with American Home Shield to provide a flexible and cost-effective way to protect the appliances you purchase from us. This makes breakdowns less costly and stressful for you. We here at Atherton Appliance and BSC Culinary are truly changing the luxury experience by providing our clients and trade professionals with a true end-to-end luxury experience. Please reach out to us. We love the opportunity to take the time to tackle your next project with us together. Lastly, I want to thank you again for tuning into my webinar. My name is Matt Mortensen, and I'm the Director of Trade and Business Development here at Atherton Appliance and Kitchens and BSC Culinary. If you have any questions or comments about any of the topics that we touched on today, I would be happy to address them. My email is matt@athertonappliance.com, or reach out to me if you'd like to visit one of our showrooms, either Atherton Appliance and Kitchens or BSC Culinary. I'd be able to help you out as well. And lastly, if you are looking for more information, go to our website and check out our blog, or check out our YouTube channel where we are updating videos weekly. Thanks.